Hello there! Ako lang mag-isa dito! Para ako na-overwhelm sa sobrang daming station ng food. O diba, basa na mga person. Basa! Gusto natin to. Oh my God! Bagyo ba ito? Grabe! Ang sobrang lamig. Say hi! Zero visibility. Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video pupunta tayo sa Bana Hills. Nakapag-breakfast na rin tayo and hinihintay na lang natin yung susundo sa atin. Kasi nag-avail ako ng Bana Hills tour via Klook, and then may kasama na siyang lunch and susunduin tayo dito sa hotel. Ayun, katatapos ko lang mag-breakfast. And natuwa naman ako kasi iba-iba yung menu nila. Pero may mga same, pero binabago naman nila everyday. So yun, balikan ko kayo later pagka papunta na tayo sa Bana Hills. Nandito na yung susundo sa amin. Papunta na kami Bana Hills. Yeah. Bana Hills it is. Yeah. You can sit anywhere?
Yeah, of course.
Ito na lang ako. Ayan. Tama tayo. Ayan. May mga susunduin pa. So, later na lang. Hello guys! Nandito na tayo sa Bana Hills. Naantay lang natin yung ticket natin. Kukunin lang nung tour guide. And then, papasok na tayo. So, update ko kayo later. Kulot-kulot na yung hair ko. Nagtirintas kasi ako. So, antayin na lang natin. Ng iba nag-CR break. Pero, ayan. Ito tayo ngayon. Sakay na kami ng cable car. Ito na, malapit na. Yeah. Yes, ito na, sakay na kami. Woo! Yeah. Sakay na tayo. Dito na kami, anim kami nasa cable car kasi yun yung capacity ng cable car.
Everyone's got tripod now.
Yeah.
YouTuber partner.
I'm vlogging. Oh, it's fast.
How long the time to get in the
20
cable?
minutes.
20 minutes?
Yeah.
That's okay.
All right.
Oh wow. Look at the lake.
20 minutes.
Excuse me.
Nice.
Wow, see, beautiful the water.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
is.
clear.
It's quite clear, yeah.
Yeah, very clear.
There's some small
As you can
waterfalls.
see
Oh
that.
wow.
Very pretty.
Yeah,
So
little
nice.
waterfall.
It looks very clear.
Yeah.
Like green.
Because no one swim here.
Fewer people live here. So.
Yeah, honestly, this hill now belong to, in the past it belonged to the Nang City, and a lot of people came here, but now it belongs to Sun Group, so it's private hill, so no one cannot go there,
Okay.
cannot
Camping
camping,
is private.
private, so it's only used for use cable car to go to the top. No one can go into the forest.
So the company
Mhm.
manage this place.
Yeah.
Okay.
Very rich company.
do you,
To own all
do you
this.
guys know,
Yeah.
do you guys know about VinFast?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah. We
win that?
We stayed there.
Wing,
In Saigon. We
yeah,
stayed there.
Wing Fast 8 belong to Wing Group.
Is it okay if I film?
Wing Group
what you're
is
saying?
Wing Group and is Sun Group.
Oh, yeah.
This belongs to Sun Group and Wing Group is last enemy in Vietnam.
Oh.
And two the best group in Vietnam.
Oh,
Oh, okay.
Because both have so much money.
Yeah, lost money.
we stayed in Vinhome in Condo.
Yeah, we home like that.
in Saigon. So.
If this, do you know Phu Quoc? In Phu we have a.
Is it? Phu Quoc is Phu Quoc, is it?
Yeah, Phu Quoc.
Oh, but you say Phu is called Phu Quoc.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, okay.
In Phu Quoc, you will
Yeah.
have a two sign. One side for Sun Group and one side for Wing Group.
Oh, okay.
For example, if it's clear, you can see a lot another project of Wing Group over there. But it's not clear, you cannot
Right.
see.
I
It's
went
really
to
good.
Phu Quoc last
Ah.
year, December.
December
Yeah, but
last year.
yeah,
Ah.
the weather was so beautiful.
Oh yeah, I see.
Yeah, so I thought December is a good time. Then I
It's
came
like
here,
a European.
it's not.
It's like a
Because
European
yeah.
place, right?
Because it's got all the French
Oh yeah,
architecture.
yeah.
Because Phu Quoc in the south of
Oh,
Vietnam.
this is
yeah.
east.
Yeah, it's the south and the last at the end of Vietnam.
Okay.
So Da Nang is in the middle. So it's quite far.
Right.
And now in the rain season in the
Right,
middle of
yeah.
Vietnam.
Wala nang makita. Zero visibility. Wala nang makita. Look. Ayan, nasasakay tayo dyan. Paakyat. Yay! Oh, punta tayo sa labas. Ayan, para makita natin. Ay! Sige. Nice. Ayan na, basa-basa na. Oh, wow! Gusto natin to, di ba? Oh, yeah. Oh! Basa! Yeah! Basa tayo! Oh my Lord! Woo! Basa agad! Ah, say hi! Hi! O, di ba? Basa na mga person. Basa. Gusto natin to.
Minsan lang.
Oo. Okay. Basa kami.
Basta yung sa lamig.
Ay, dito pala. Ito yung ano namin. Ito yung tour guide namin. Wala akong raincoat.
Okay, listen to me.
Payong lang.
Everyone, now you go this way.
Yan na, nag-cup na ako sa umbrella. Oh, it's so foggy. We're not able to get a good photo
Right,
here.
yeah.
You want a photo?
It's okay. You want
Yeah. Not, no. Ayan ang ano namin. So foggy. Ayan, wala masyadong makita. It's raining and zero visibility. Hindi naman zero. May nakikita naman kahit konti. You want photo? Ayan, dito tayo sa flower garden. So, it's raining and it's not the best time to go here. Ooh, it's foggy. Oh, it's so cold.
Actually, you want to tie your thing?
Oh,
Oh, you're okay.
I didn't see that. I didn't know that there is a
String?
yeah.
At least it's a bit better.
All right, thank you so much. Kailangan nyo ng kapote pag pupunta kayo dito ng December. Hindi kayo makakapag-picture ng maayos pag ganito yung weather. So parang wala, hindi na ako mag-picture. Babalik na lang ako siguro dito. Oh, this is the food. Look. So, nandito na kami sa Golden Bridge pero wala kaming makita. Ayan. Wala masyado makita. Ito, kamay na yan. Ito, kamay na yan. Pero walang makita. Ayan. Ayan, dito na kami sa may Golden Bridge. Pero wala halos makita. Kasi it's so foggy. Yeah. It's so foggy. Dito tayo sa isang kamay. Ay, wala kayong makikita. Sobrang walang makikita. Ayan, medyo kita na yung hand niya. You want photo? Ah, yeah, sure. Ayan. Oh my God! Bagyo ba ito? Grabe! Ang sobrang lamig. Sobrang windy up here. Parang bagyo to.
Take a photo of the Golden Bridge, brother.
Nakakaloka to, guys. Grabe. Buti na lang pinahiram ako nung kasama ko sa tour ng raincoat. Meron siyang extra. Sobrang ready siya sa lahat. Oh my Lord! Oh my goodness! Oh my Lord! Woo! Say hi! Nasama ko to sa vlog ko, ah. Ayan, dito tayo sa Fantasy Park. Ayan, bangkor. Bangkor dito. Ayan. Ito yung parang drop. Ida-drop ka, no? Ayan, no? Ayan. French Village pero wala tayong makita. Ayan, super foggy guys. Oh goodness. This one is the Alpine Coaster but it's closed due to the weather. Ayan, sarado siya. Buti na lang hindi ako nag-book. Highlands are everywhere.
Yeah, exactly. Highlands is their national franchise.
Oh,
Is it?
okay.
think
I don't
so.
know.
Yeah, it's Vietnamese franchise.
Ooh. Meron sila ditong Thai market. Ayan, pero parang sarado. Pero meron naman, bukas naman. Punta na tayo ngayon sa lunch. Lunch natin. Baba na tayo dun. Lunch muna tayo. Okay guys, so punta na tayo ng Four Seasons restaurant for our lunch. So tinanggal ko muna yung raincoat ko para makakain ako ng maayos. And nagtali na rin ako ng hair para hindi gaganon-ganon yung hair ko sa food, makakain ako ng maayos. So, I want to enjoy my lunch. Ilang escalator pala yung bababaan natin. Parang pang-apat ko na ata to. From dun sa pinanggalingan natin sa may French Village. Parang pang-apat ko na baba ng escalator to. Shoot, ang ganda dito. Ooh. Ganda. So nice. So, may makikita naman kayo mga arrows na ganito kung nasaan yung Four Seasons restaurant. So, susundan nyo lang yan. So, meron din pala mga toilets dito sa baba. Okay, baka yun na yung... Oh, wow! Look at this. Guys. Nice. Nice look. So pretty. Yeah.
Do you have a ticket? Ticket for Four Seasons buffet?
Four Seasons?
Yeah, Four Seasons. How many people?
Just one.
Only you?
Yeah.
Yes, thank you. Just wait.
Alright, thank you.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Ano tayo? Ooh, we're having our lunch. Yeah. Alright. Thank you. 2 more floor pa daw. Grabe pala bago ka pa makarating sa Four Seasons. Sobrang daming pagdadaan ng escalators. 2 floors down daw. Sana konti lang yung tao, no? Sana hindi super crowded. Like, you know, charot. Ang arte. So, yun siya. Yeah, one more, okay. So, one more pa daw. So, ito na yung restaurant. Oh, big siya, oh. Ang laki niya. Yan, hindi naman crowded. Marami namang space. So, no worries sa space. Yan, malaki siya. Okay, nakapasok na tayo. So, So, after maskan yung ticket natin,
Sorry, how many people?
just one. So, after maskan yung ticket natin, kukunin na yung pinaka parang stub na gano'n. Nakapasok na tayo dito. So, hanap lang ako ng upuan natin. And then, tsaka ako kukuha ng ng food. Parang gusto ko dun sa tahimik na lugar. Para ako na-overwhelm sa sobrang daming station ng food. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako magstay. So, dito na lang ako. Kukuha muna ako ng food. Mamaya ko na lang i-film yung mga food natin. Ayan, iniwan ko muna yung bag ko dito. Kukuha muna ako ng food. So, ito muna yung kinuha ko. Ito potato na parang wedges na maninipis. Ito, beef daw to. Tapos, japchae and some, Japanese, sushi. Parang kaldereta itong una kong kinakain. Nakaka-overwhelm yung pagkain kasi ang daming stations. Hindi mo alam kung saan mo uunahin. Tapos ang daming tao. Parang wala kang chance ma-film yung mga food. Ito, thinly sliced na parang potato wedges. Sarap siya. Siguro mamaya lilipat ako ng pwesto. Pero baka mamaya, kasi dumadami na yung mga tao. Baka biglang wala na akong pwestuhan. Lilipat sana ako dun banda dun sa unahan. Kasi marami ring stations dun. Hello. I'm back. Tapos na ako mag-lunch and nakaka-overwhelm talaga siya. Ang dami niyang food. Pero, syempre hindi yun lahat na try natin. So, sobrang dami nun. Ngayon, pabalik na ako dun sa may French Village para mag-lakad-lakad, mag-roam around, explore natin ulit yun. Kasi, kanina, hindi pa natin masyado na-explore. Kasi wala naman tayo nakikita. Kanina. So, yeah. Hopefully, meron ng makita. Parang ganun pa din. Parang foggy pa rin siguro. Yan, medyo buti na lang wala ng ulan pero maraming pa rin. Ang sarap. Ganda. This one is Luna Castle. Para siyang, ito, parang Louvre sa Paris. Pero pa rin, foggy pa din. Pero ang sarap ng, lamig. Mas makakapag-explore na tayo dito. Siyempre, mag-picture tayo. Yeah. Magiging foggy na ulit. Ang lamig, ang sarap. Buti na lang hindi na siya masyadong umuulan. Drizzling lang. It's just drizzling. Sarap ng ganito lang. Tapos malamig. Nice. Tingnan natin kung anong meron dito sa side na to. It's so foggy. Yeah. Dito medyo maliwanag pa pero pag sa personal, ano na siya? Foggy siya talaga. Wow! Ang sarap! Ang lamig! Ang sarap ang lamig! Dito maganda sana ang photo spot dito. Dito sa mga ano na to. Yan o, ganda. Hello there! Ako lang mag-isa dito! I'm so happy! Yeah! Ang saya! Ang sarap! Super lamig! Ay! Ang sarap! Walang makita! Ayan, dito medyo hindi na foggy. Ayan, may mga nakikita na. Ayan. Hindi na masyadong